Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My hair is so greasy, but I'm gonna be doing a self-care quarantine video, or just self-care because like we have nothing to do, so why not do some self-care. But today it's gonna be a little different. I'm gonna be cleaning out my fridge. It's not so much dirty, I have to see, but we have extra food because of the quarantine, so I just need to see what I have and organize everything. But yeah, it's nice and sunny today in California. It's a little windy. My fiance went somewhere. It's like super hard to record with him here because he's here and I'm used to just recording by myself, so I get anxious. Yesterday, let me give you a little life update. Yesterday, I got a new tripod, so I'm trying to have you stand up. But yesterday I did an eat with me video, which I didn't finish, but I started off strong. We ate a smoothie bowl, like we were eating healthy, and then downhill. I ate, what is it, not a pizza pocket, it's like these pizza boats. I ate that. I ate some dessert, chips, peanuts. I wasn't even hungry. It was just like we've been watching movies, so it's like you have to snack on something. So hopefully I can get my life together soon. Today I ate pancakes, so I didn't even start off the day right. I woke up in the afternoon. This quarantine is screwing me up, and it's barely day 2 for me. Day 1.5. Today's not even over. So if you have any tips on how you're eating healthy and like having a good routine, let me know, because I'm already fucking up. To be honest, it's just hard not to eat all the food or like eat the snacks, because we have cheese nits, we have, let me show you really quick. So we have, this is what I ate yesterday. We never have these, so like I was like, oh, let me get one of these. Lucky Charms. I don't really care for cereal, so that's not a big deal. Cheese nips. I ate cheese nips yesterday. What else did I eat? I ate one of these yesterday, and I don't even care for these. I have like chips and healthy popcorn stuck back there. I ate some peanuts yesterday, and it's just been horrible. But yeah, I'm gonna clean out my fridge. So this is how the fridge looks. So it's pretty packed, as you can tell. So we need to organize this so we can see what we have. I need to clean down there. I need to clean my whole kitchen, but this is a freezer. It's kind of organized. This is a frozen fruit, veggies, stupid ass pizzas that I keep eating. And we have some frozen bread because I heard you can freeze it. And yeah. And also, I've been drinking like 5 iced coffees a day. Well, yesterday I had literally like 4 iced coffees because it's like my favorite thing to make. And did I need 4 iced coffees? No, but I did it anyway. So we're gonna clean out the fridge. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but first we're gonna take everything out. So I'm gonna place you on the counter and let's take everything out. Okay, so this stuff is pretty much all gone. See, I have to like wipe. That's disgusting. Ew, oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. And I have to clean that stuff, but we'll start with this first. I don't know how I'm gonna stand you up. Let's put you in the fridge, maybe. I'm gonna be using this 99-cent all-purpose cleaner. guys, that looks way better already. Okay. Nice and clean compared to before. Now let's get all this stuff out and then we'll put everything together at once. This is disgusting. So, everything's out. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. Everything's out. This is clean. So, this was everything in the fridge. We have some fresh veggies, a lot of potatoes, tortillas, bacon, turkey bacon, cheese, a lot of lunch meat, cheese, eggs, hummus, lunch meat, manteca, spinach, kale, leftover beans, spaghetti, carnita, chorizo, jalapeno, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, cheese. I didn't even know I had this. Coconut powder, flour, more potatoes, some squirt. This is leftover salad from yesterday. Shut up. I need to close it and then reopen it. Okay. I have milk. We have this pizza crust. We have a random chocolate bar, milk, orange juice, all the condiments. That, I forgot, energy drink, soda, cream cheese. So this, oh, my filter water. This is filtered water. I just keep a backup because I drink a lot of water. So yeah, this needs to all go back in here, but we need to clean this first. So, take our handy dandy spray and spray it. Spray. This is disgusting. Spray. Let's take. Oh shit. I wonder if I could take this out. Took that stuff out. Now it's gonna be easier to clean. Guys, that was so hard to put these things back in. Look, I'm like freaking sweating. The fridge won't shut up, but everything's clean. I'm just gonna let it dry really quick, and then we need to put everything back because I don't want it to go bad. So yeah, that was a workout. Look, I'm legit sweating from trying to put the stupid shelves in. But yeah, let's get started and putting everything back. Okay guys, everything is organized. Waters, all the food, tortillas, veggies, this stuff. I'm not gonna organize my freezer because it's pretty organized, but my camera's gonna die, so I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I don't know if it's gonna be quick, we'll see. But let me know what you want to see because I have all this time to record, so let me know in the comments and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!